चालू
करके चेक कर लो. Hi, good morning. I am Dr. Vinod Kumar, owner of the Bilss Hospital, Anansol, West Bengal. I have good experience with the AXON ultrasonic vessel sealer, and I am using it for last 1 year. And I can give you my experience that I have done more than 100 cases in last 1 year, and I am very satisfied customer of this gadget. So I can recommend you for this.
And Dr. Saab, how do you rate our AXON services and our team?
The supporting team is very satisfactory, excellent. They are providing all services to us, and I can give you 10 out of 10.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.